even know this ride was here.
Reagan! Reagan! She's like for me. Watching you, boy. Reagan! Reagan!
Reagan! Luca's leg so Reagan's having like the best day today. She got to ride some rides and
do wheelie, Reagan. Wheelie. Woo! He does?
He's not talking to them, he's talking to you. And Reagan just wants Luca's attention. Look how she's looking for Luca. She's having a good time. I want to do the Christmas here. They do the pre-sale for the Christmas here at Busch Gardens. The Christmas thing that they do here in Busch Gardens.
What about it? That rinky-dink room which is...
No, that's for pre-selling for tickets for the Busch Gardens, or the preview of Christmas. But they do a big thing here for Christmas. And we're coming, you guys got to get a sitter, because we are doing Halloween Scream this year.
I don't know about that.
Are you chicken?
No, it sucks. These people are hiding everywhere.
Have you ever come to Halloween Scream?
No, not really.
Well, then every person I've ever talked to loves it, and they said it scares the crap out of you. We're going.
Well, as you do know, I crap a lot already.
And yeah, we know.
And that might literally scare
particularly in the afternoon.
Yeah.
But you gotta get a different sitter because Sophia's gotta go with us. Yeah, I am.
I'll stay at home with
Up a
the kids.
wheelie.
You're just chicken.
I'll take Jamie and your sister. And Cindy.
I think I already got a buzz off this beer. I don't drink. I don't really drink anymore, Sophia. I'm already getting a buzz off this beer. I'm not really.
I can handle 3 wines.
Yeah, you think so?
That was a long ride. That was a 3-minute ride.
You get winded up going up the slope over there.
What?
Yay!
We'll go to your funeral the next day.